Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon kung saan alam na natin, bida ang saya. Dito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee, alright? Siyempre, hindi pwedeng gagawa tayo ng video tungkol sa pagkain Pinoy kung hindi natin titikman ang pinakamasarap na Chicken Joy, alright? So, Chicken Joy tayo ngayon. This is the best sa mga foreigners, to all the foreigners out there, this is the best chicken in the world, okay? Fight me, alright? Sige, so before that, let's try to measure our blood sugar. Yun natin. Okay, right now it's at 104. Okay? So definitely dito, ito sa mga ang nagpapataas ng sugar dito, it's not the chicken. It's really this. Okay? Yung gravy. So I'll try this with gravy. Okay? Kasi nga, dito naman tayo kumain. May gravy tayo with rice. Alam naman natin malitang rice nila. Typically order is rice. And for drink, Coke Zero. Okay, I know my wife will get angry with me because I'm ordering for Coke Zero, pero para sa community, okay? Sige, so let's see later, okay? So kahit na ako. Yeah, I ordered spicy kasi, well, that's me. Okay? Cheers, guys. Okay guys, it's been an hour and tingnan natin ang epekto kung talagang bida rin ba sa blood sugar ang Jollibee, alright? So, let's see. Hindi pa lang ako pinalis dito. Oh, it's 178. So, medyo matakas guys, ano? So, ingat-ingat lang sa gravy and syempre sa rice, hinay-hinay din lang, okay? I think it's really the gravy. Probably the drink na rin. Anyway, so, see you guys.